If you think you already know everything about Retell AI, think again. In this video, we'll uncover some hidden or lesser-known features of Retell AI in 2025 that could completely change how you use it for your business. Stick around, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and tips. One standout feature of Retell AI is its ability to create human-like conversation flows. Unlike traditional AI systems that follow rigid scripts, Retell AI can understand context, recognize interruptions, and respond naturally. This allows your AI voice agents to handle real-life conversations more realistically, making customers feel like they're speaking to a human. Another powerful feature is custom voice and tone options. You can adjust your AI agent's voice to match your brand personality, making your calls sound professional, friendly, or casual depending on your audience. It even supports multiple languages, which is perfect if your business deals with international clients. Retell AI also offers smart automation tools. Beyond basic calls, it can handle lead qualification, appointment scheduling, and frequently asked questions. It can escalate complex queries to human agents when necessary, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This automation saves time, reduces staff workload, and ensures consistency in customer interactions. One feature many users overlook is integration capabilities. Retell AI can connect with CRMs, calendars, and other business tools to streamline workflows. This allows your AI agents to pull data or log interactions automatically, making your operations more efficient and organized. Finally, Retell AI has real-time analytics and reporting. You can track performance, call outcomes, and engagement metrics to continually improve your AI agent's effectiveness. This data-driven approach helps businesses optimize communication and make better decisions based on actual performance. In short, Retell AI is more than just an automated calling tool. Its human-like interactions, customizable voices, automation, integrations, and analytics make it a versatile platform for businesses in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.